Well, Bland, this is a nice 49 Pontiac Chieftain, right?
That's right.
Nice car, I like it. You know, good looking, nice restoration. But this has got a story that is just unbelievable.
Well, it does.
It does.
It does.
You know, take me through this story, because this was what? This was your mom and dad's car. Your dad bought it, and then took it on his honeymoon?
Right. Dad bought this car in 1949, saved his money up during World War II. When he got out of the service, he bought this car. They went on their honeymoon in 1950 in Gulf Shores, Alabama.
Wow.
Yeah, sure did.
So was that a big honeymoon spot?
Well, at that time, Gulf Shores only had 2 motels on the beach. And the story my mother tells, it's they pulled up at the first motel and had a mop hanging on the back door. She said, "I'm not mopping on my honeymoon. Take me to the next motel."
No mop?
No mop.
They're there.
They're there.
So they had it this whole time, and you got this great history board, the original invoice, the sticker on it and everything, and this picture of a little kid on a tricycle. That was you at
That was me, yeah.
3 years old.
4 years old.
4 years old.
Yeah.
And the tricycle that's there by the board
Still got the trike.
is that tricycle.
Yes.
Holy cow. Well, so they kept it all this time. Why do they still have it?
Well, in 1966, my father passed away of a heart attack while he was rebuilding this car, right in front of the front bumper.
Like here?
So, right there. So it had no engine. So in 1966, no one wanted Pontiacs. My mother tried to sell the car, but it didn't have an engine.
Yeah.
So we just decided to store it because she couldn't sell it. And it sat in there for 37 years. And when I got enough money to restore it and enough time, I said, well, I'm gonna give it a shot.
And you did.
I did.
You know, I love
Yeah.
it. Did it have the visor and everything too?
Actually, the visor is the only accessory it didn't have when it was new. I did add that.
Because I mean, that just sets it off. And did it had the dual mirrors and everything too?
No, I did add this mirror.
Okay,
here.
that's
Yeah.
cool. What's the color though?
Wilmingham green.
Was that?
It was the original color.
Oh wow. But now, okay, that's kind of where the originality stops.
Right, that's correct. That's correct.
Because I mean, interior-wise, you've made this a comfort cruiser.
Right.
You did a great job in here.
Oh, thanks. Well, originally it came with mohair interior.
Yeah.
We did an upgrade with leather. We matched the paint with the leather seats. So
Yeah, two-tone on the dash. I
Two-tone
like that.
matching colors.
And you kept the arrangement
Right,
very, original.
Right, we added air condition. We used the original knobs for the heater and the defroster for my air conditions. I didn't really want any type of things under the dash. I wanted to keep it as original as I could, but yet I wanted it roadworthy, so if my wife wanted to drive it, she could. AC, power steering, power
You did
brakes.
just a great, I mean, that dash is fantastic.
Oh, thank
I mean,
you.
the way you melded it in.
Thank you.
And then again, I mean, you go on back, and she's pretty much 1949 Pontiac.
Right.
With a lot of great chrome, bright work. Actually, a lot of that's not even chrome. It's
No,
wood.
actually, that piece there is stainless steel. The
Yeah.
bumpers were chrome. The trunk handle was chrome, but most of this trim work is stainless steel.
Well, you
Sure
just
is.
brush that up and you're good to go.
You're
again.
good to go.
And then you're towing this period.
Yeah, 1962 Scotty 10-foot camper.
Man, I
Right.
just love it. Now, this would originally had a straight 8
Right.
Pontiac engine, which would have, carrying this car and that trailer, you might have felt it. You upgraded the engine too.
A
though.
little bit. Yeah, yeah.
Let's look at that upgrade.
Okay.
Open her up, Lan. Yeah, that's no Pontiac straight 8, is it?
No, it's an 8, but it's not a straight 8.
Holy cow! LS1 Corvette engine.
LS1 Corvette.
Man, now how tough was that to get in there?
Well, it wasn't that bad. I had a lot of free time on my hands. I was kind of out of money on this restoration project, so I'd swap it in and swap it out, and finally got it just where I wanted it.
And she popped right in. Does she run nice?
Oh, she runs real good. 26 miles a gallon.
No kidding.
Well, 18 pulling the trailer.
Well, that's really bad. That's not bad,
it's not
man.
too bad.
Did you change any of the other running gear? Or?
Suspension is original. I did upgrade to disc brakes and power steering. That's about it.
Gosh,
Yeah.
man. And she, I mean, how does she run?
Oh, great.
Just
great.
awesome,
The
huh?
faster you go, the better she rides.
And now, where are you from?
Huntsville, Alabama.
And you drove here from
I
Huntsville?
drove here.
How far is that?
450 miles.
That's a ways.
Yeah, it is.
Have you been to Cruising the Coast before?
This is our 4th year, and we love it.
Isn't this a great show?
Ocean Springs is wonderful.
Oh, I love it, man.
Yeah.
I just love it.
Yeah.
Just drives and rides.
Oh, it rides. The faster you go, the better it rides.
You gotta love that.
Oh, I do.
This thing is too cool. I mean, it's a cool car, but the story that goes with it, man, is what makes this car.
Yeah, I really love people just looking at the history board and just reminiscing about days gone by.
Yeah.
And it looks original, and that's kind of the way I want to keep
And
it.
it runs new.
It runs new.
Bland, you're a master.
Thank you.
Way cool.
All right, appreciate it.